In this episode, I'm going to show you how to be the star in your next potluck dinner. I'm Nora Day. Instead of taking a Tupperware of watermelon or a bowl of blueberries and strawberries, why not make a tropical fruit plate? It really makes a statement. I'm going to show you how to make it. When picking fruits for your fruit platter, try and pick a huge variety of colors like I have here. I really like to use my mangoes on the outer edges of the platter because it sets that beautiful bright yellow tone. And next to it, I like to put my watermelon because everybody loves watermelon at parties. And as I come in through the center line of my platter here, what I really love is the star fruit. It's a unique fruit. You cut it and it comes out as perfect, beautiful stars. Really a nice tropical fruit to add to any fruit platter. And next to that, I have my kiwis that are very high in vitamin C. It's a very nice addition, very nutritious addition to your platter. On the very center point, I like to highlight my blood oranges. The first time I ever had a blood orange was in Italy. I'd never had anything like it before, and this exquisite taste of an orange is just decadent. As you see, also around, I have some strawberries, some blueberries, some of the old-time favorites. So remember, pick bright colors and everyone's going to want to dive into your fruit plate. You know the old saying, you eat with your eyes first? Well, this stunning platter proves it. You'll capture the attention of everyone at the party and you will be the star of your potluck. I'm Nora Day.